All right, boys and girls, for science bookwork today, you need to get your green folder and a pencil. If you don't have your green folder handy, please go get it right now and a pencil because you'll need to mark the activities that need to be completed in the book. So I'll give you a few seconds to go get your green folder and a pencil. So we're going to start off on page 3. Do you notice there's a star in that white box next to the blue words? And those blue words are telling you biologists make observations about living things. What are some observations you can make about lizards? So you're going to use your eyes like a scientist and observe that lizard in the picture. Write down some things you notice on the lines in the box. At the very bottom of the page, you can put an X. We don't need to complete that part on the page. On the second slide, you need to put a star in that box where it says, what would you ask a scientist? And remember, when you're asking a scientist a question, or anyone else for that matter, when you're writing out your question, we need a capital letter in the front and a question mark at the end. On our last page for today, page 5, you need to read all of the paragraphs on the page. Notice there are some underlined parts. It's in the second paragraph where it says, science is the study of the natural world. Then it describes what 3 different types of scientists study. You'll need to know that to complete the box next to those paragraphs. Earth scientists study things like rocks, so underline, like rocks, weather, and planets. So you have to think of something an earth scientist would ask themselves about rocks, planets, or weather, and write that question down in the box under earth science. Physical scientists study matter and energy. Life scientists study living things, okay? So you need to come up with a question for each of the 3 types: earth science, life science, and physical science. So read all of the words on the page, but you only need to complete the starred activities. Thank you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.